Now, speaking of St. James, the gruesome killing of a 19-year-old man and his 22-year-old pregnant girlfriend has left the community of Norwood tense. Kelisha Williams has that story.
A door ripped from its hinges, a damaged gate, the telltale signs of tragedy on Chico Lane in the community of Norwood in St. James. 19-year-old Barrington Clark and his pregnant girlfriend, 22-year-old Swain Pennicott, were gunned down Saturday morning.
Sometimes she gets upset, but when I sit down and talk to her, she's a good person. And sometimes, even when she has problems, she will call me and sit down and talk to me. But otherwise, she's a hard-working girl. She stand up to her kids them. She help her kids them very much. She left 4 kids, and she have a pregnancy with her, 4 months pregnant. Sue was a good girl.
She was 4 months pregnant?
Yeah, she was 4 months pregnant. And she always tell me, say, I want girl she want. She have 4 boys, and she need a girl.
We were told about 4:50 Saturday morning, residents heard explosions and alerted the police. When the police arrived, the victims were found covered in blood with gunshot wounds. They were pronounced dead at hospital. Investigators believe gunmen kicked in the gate and door of the house and shot the couple. Residents say the community is now living in fear.
It continues to show that, we don't know what tomorrow brings, and the only wish we have for the community is to see the community come to, where we can live together, can come together, play together, It's saddened, we are all saddened, and for now we just have to give our moral support to the family members.
The Criminal Investigation Branch of the JCF is yet to establish a motive for the killing. Over 100 people have been killed in St. James since the start of the year, according to the police. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.